Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. Today, we're diving into the core principles that form the foundation of all security measures, the 5 pillars of information security. These pillars are essential concepts that every security professional must understand to protect an organization's information assets effectively. Let's explore each one. First, we have confidentiality. Confidentiality ensures that information is only accessible to those authorized to view it. This means implementing measures like encryption, access controls, and secure communication channels to prevent unauthorized access. Think of it as keeping sensitive information secret and out of the wrong hands. Next, integrity. Integrity guarantees that information remains accurate and unaltered. This involves using techniques such as hashing, digital signatures, and checksums to detect and prevent unauthorized changes to data. Imagine it as ensuring that what you send is exactly what is received, without tampering. The third pillar is availability. Availability ensures that information and resources are accessible when needed. This means implementing redundancy, load balancing, and disaster recovery plans to ensure continuous access to critical systems and data. It's about making sure that your services are up and running whenever users need them. Fourth, authenticity. Authenticity verifies that users and systems are who they claim to be. This involves using authentication methods like passwords, biometrics, and multi-factor authentication to establish trust. Think of it as confirming the identity of everyone accessing your information. Finally, non-repudiation. Non-repudiation ensures that a party cannot deny the authenticity of their signature on a document or a message they sent. This is achieved through digital signatures and audit trails, providing proof of origin and integrity. It's like having undeniable evidence that someone took a specific action. Together, these 5 pillars, confidentiality, integrity, availability, authenticity, and non-repudiation, form a comprehensive framework that helps safeguard information against various threats. Let's look at some real-world examples of how these pillars are applied. For instance, in online banking, confidentiality is ensured through encryption, integrity through transaction logs, availability through redundant servers, authenticity through two-factor authentication, and non-repudiation through digital receipts. Understanding and implementing these security concepts is crucial for protecting your organization's assets. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.